Average is 670 for me. Around the 630s I'll get out. That wall needs to go. 7 needs to go. Go, 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 go. Come on, 7s. There you go. That's your squeeze. That's your good. And I think it's a halt, isn't it? That's gotta be a halt. Yep. That's a halt. Look at these numbers on the level 2. Alright, we caught one. Let's go. Guys, I took a sum out, 775s. 775 around this area here. But it's strong, guys, it's strong. So and it's going for another halt. Come on, give me another halt. Another halt. There we go. Oh, come on, come on. There's another halt. 840s, 840s. I've taken some 840s as well, guys. Guys, I'm gonna come out 790s, 790s. I'm gonna put my stop 790s here, guys. I got stopped out. I got a bit of a bad fill on it. 778s. Yeah, my stop right about here, guys, just about here. So it looks something like that. My risk, and then my reward is around that. Something like that. So I would say quite a good risk to reward. I don't mind that.